Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are enjoying the series of videos on advanced product quality planning and production part approval process. So we have in the previous session we have concluded the phase 1 where it was a planning phase. So today we will be discussing on phase 2 product design and development, where it in the product development process it goes from preliminary design to the critical design review. Okay, so the first phase was a planning phase. It was from kickoff to preliminary design review phase. So we will discuss what are all the deliverables, what are all the activities, and what is the phase gate deliverable from the phase 2. So we know that phase 2 is a product design and development. Design the product considering all identified requirement and the risks that we identified in the phase 1, where the multiple deliverables we discussed, like preliminary BOM, statement of work, requirements are established, cases are established, critical items are identified, to name few. So similarly in phase 2 the activities will be turning the product specification into robust product definitions, design risk analysis, design for manufacture and assembly. You will be doing DFMEA, and then design for maintenance, repair and overhaul, DFMRO, identification of key characteristics, product error proofing, and then you will create the bill of material, where in earlier phase you had the preliminary BOM, conduct the design reviews, validate and verify product design, conduct a design records review, and at the production sources to evaluate the manufacturing feasibility. So this is the phase very critical to ensure that all cross-functional teams are involved and you take the appropriate call to modify the design, to optimize the design, modify the design to meet the production requirement also. I know that design is not done to meet the production requirement. It is primary focus of the design is to meet the customer requirement and desired functional output from the design. But when the during the design optimization, we should not end up adding the cost for the part production in the production. So as much as possible the concept need to be optimized through the conducting the design reviews and validate and verify the product design, conduct the design records review at the production sources to evaluate the manufacturing feasibility. So what are the key deliverables? One is the design risk analysis. You will do the design risk analysis and take the appropriate mitigation plan. Can I fix it within the design, or can I have alternate method where the risks are eliminated, or I have to live with the risk and control in the process. So there are a different level of controls that you will establish when it comes to the design risk analysis. So next deliverable will be design records and bill of material, addressing the findings of the design risk analysis. So you will take the inputs from the design risk analysis and then you will include all those elements that would be affecting the part function in order to meet the target that are established in case in phase 1, where we had a cost, maintainability, serviceability, reliability. Those targets need to be met. If your risk analysis shows that there is a risk in achieving them, then the appropriate corrective action need to be put in place. And then next deliverable would be the DFMEA, tolerance, stack up analysis, and then where you will do the design for manufacturing as manufacturability assessment, and then you will evaluate the tolerances which allows the variability in the manufacturing, and you will conduct the stack up analysis and see whether when parts are assembled and are they giving the required function without having any interference, form fit function working as desired. So those are all the things you will be evaluating, because now the design records like your drawings, bill of materials are finalized, and critical design review is completed, as it is in between. Phase 2 is in between the preliminary design review to the critical design review. So at the critical design reviews, you will be establishing it is ready for the initial production. So you will have to evaluate everything. The drawings are ready, you will have to evaluate the tolerances and do the stock up analysis. Then the special requirements, including the product key characteristics and critical item listings, preliminary risk analysis of source planning. See, this the beauty of APQP is cross-functional team is involved from the initial phase of kickoff. So it allows all the cross-functional team to make the appropriate plan in place and analyze the risks and take the appropriate action before the risks appear in the process. So packaging specification, design review reports, development product build plan, design verification and validation plans, and associated results, feasibility assessment. So these are the major deliverables. So what is the main key milestone output from the phase 2? It is the design record and bill of material, design verification and validation plan, and associated results. Hello friends, hope you enjoyed the today's session. I would like to request you all to subscribe, share, like, and then if you have any comments, please leave your comments. So keep watching my channel, enjoy the new learnings, and wish you all the best for your career. So, till then, take care, stay tuned, see you with the next video. Bye bye.